Every day, farms are losing thousands of dollars, not to low yields, not to bad weather, but to small irrigation problems no one notices. Leaks underground, misaligned sprinklers, and poor system control quietly drain money with every watering cycle. If your irrigation system hasn't been checked recently, this video is made for you. We've split this guide into 2 clear sections to keep it simple and practical for you. In the first part, we'll uncover 5 common irrigation mistakes that most farmers make and how they silently waste water, energy, and profit. In the second part, we'll share 5 smart moves that can help you save thousands just by optimizing your existing irrigation system. So stay with us till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart farming insights. Part 1. 5 common irrigation mistakes that waste money. Before we jump into the fixes, let's uncover the 5 most common irrigation mistakes that are secretly wasting water, driving up energy bills, and costing farmers thousands every year. Knowing these hidden problems is the first step toward optimizing your system, saving money, and boosting crop yields. Mistake 1. Hidden leaks in pipes and connections. One of the most overlooked problems in any irrigation system is hidden leaks. These leaks often occur underground, behind thick vegetation, or in hard-to-reach joints, which means they can go unnoticed for weeks or even months. Even a small leak may seem harmless at first, but it can waste thousands of liters of water over time. The consequences go beyond water waste. Pumps have to work harder and longer to maintain the required pressure, which drives up electricity costs and increases wear and tear on the system. In addition, crops may receive inconsistent water, which can reduce growth, stress plants, and even affect yield quality. In modern farming, especially in premium markets, every drop of water counts, and invisible leaks quietly drain both money and resources. Regular inspection, pressure monitoring, and timely repairs are essential. Mistake 2. Stuck, broken, or misaligned sprinkler heads. Sprinkler heads are one of the most common sources of water waste in any irrigation system. They can get stuck, break, or spray in the wrong direction due to machinery, soil shifts, or normal wear and tear. Some common issues include stuck heads. Water keeps spraying in one spot. Broken heads. No water comes out or sprays unevenly. Misaligned heads. Water lands on paths, roads, or fences instead of crops. These problems cause overwatering, uneven crop growth, and wasted water, which directly increases your water bills and reduces efficiency. Mistake 3. Poor pressure management. Water pressure might seem small, but it can cost you a lot. If the pressure is too high, water turns into mist and evaporates before reaching your crops. Too low, and some areas don't get enough water. Both problems make your system run longer, wasting water and electricity without helping your plants grow. The simple fix: check your pressure and use regulators to make sure every part of your field gets just the right amount of water. Mistake 4. Ignoring energy costs in irrigation. Many farmers focus solely on water delivery and crop health, but energy costs are often a hidden expense in irrigation systems, especially in warm and hot regions. Pumps need to run longer and harder when systems are inefficient, which can skyrocket electricity bills month after month. In some cases, farms spend thousands of dollars each year just powering old or poorly optimized irrigation pumps. This isn't just about cost, it's also about environmental impact and sustainability, which premium market farmers increasingly care about. The smart solution? Many modern farms reduce these costs by integrating solar-powered pumping systems. Even partial solar setups can cut energy expenses dramatically, while ensuring a consistent, reliable water supply. Mistake 5. Using fixed schedules all year round. Running your irrigation system on the same schedule all year is a big money waster. Weather changes, rainfall, and crop growth all affect how much water your plants actually need. Fixed schedules can mean overwatering when it rains or underwatering during hot seasons. both of which hurt your crops and your wallet. Energy costs also go up because pumps run longer than necessary. The easy fix? Adjust watering based on season, soil, and crop needs. Part 2. 5 smart moves that can save you thousands. Now that we've uncovered the costly mistakes, it's time to take action. In Part 2, we'll show you 5 smart irrigation moves that can save thousands of dollars, reduce water and energy waste, and boost your farm's efficiency. Stick with us because these simple strategies can transform your irrigation system into a real profit maker. Move 1. Perform a seasonal irrigation audit. Take a few hours each season to walk through your entire irrigation system. Check for leaks, uneven spray patterns, blocked sprinkler heads, and pressure problems. Doing this simple check can save thousands of liters of water, prevent costly repairs, and keep your system running efficiently. Think of it as a quick health check for your irrigation system. Catch small issues before they become expensive problems. Move 2. Upgrade control systems. You don't need a brand new irrigation system to save money. Sometimes a few smart upgrades, like zone controllers, timers, or pressure regulators, can make a huge difference. These upgrades let you water only when and where it's needed, reducing water waste and cutting energy costs. It's a smarter, cheaper way to boost efficiency without the cost of a full system replacement. Move 3. Optimize irrigation zones by crop and soil type. Different crops and soil types need different amounts of water. Grouping plants with similar needs into separate irrigation zones ensures every plant gets just the right amount. This simple change reduces water waste, saves energy, and improves crop health. Over time, these small adjustments add up to big savings and better yields, without spending extra on new equipment. Move 4. Reduce energy costs with smarter pumping solutions. Pumps use a lot of electricity, especially in warm regions. Running them inefficiently can skyrocket your energy bills. A smart solution is to add solar-powered pumps or upgrade to more efficient pumps. Even partial solar setups can cut energy costs significantly while keeping your irrigation reliable. This way, you save money and make your farm more sustainable at the same time. Move 5. Monitor, adjust, and improve continuously. The most profitable farms don't just set their irrigation and forget it. Regular monitoring and small adjustments based on weather, soil moisture, and crop needs keep the system running efficiently. By staying on top of your irrigation, you prevent waste, save water and energy, and ensure your crops get exactly what they need. Over time, this simple habit turns your irrigation system into a real profit tool. If you want to stop wasting water, energy, and money, and start getting more value from the system you already have, these small irrigation changes are the place to begin. Smart optimization always beats expensive upgrades. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical insights that help you farm smarter and earn more.